This is Leonard Birdsong back with you, Professor Birdsong to some of you. You know, I have a blog. It's called birdsongslaw.com. And I put a lot of things that I've written on there over the years, and I collect weird criminal law stories from around the country and around the world. I put them on my blog so you can have a little laugh about criminal law, and I've taken to reading a few of them on the air. Here's some stories that are going to appear on my blog in the next few weeks. Stories come from all over. This one comes from Turkey. A stitch in time saves 5 for a Turkish woman charged with slicing off her lover's penis. That's because a court has put off sentencing her for 18 months to see if the man's reattached penis still functions. If it does, she'll get 3 years in jail. If it does not, she'll get 8. She gave him the cruelest cut because he broke a promise to marry her and forced her into prostitution. Now, I'd like to say something deep and legal about this, but the only thing that comes to Birdsong's mind in reading this story is, youch! Let's go to Austria. An Austrian man was hit with a $100 fine when he farted loudly while being questioned by police, causing passers-by to break into hysterics and humiliating the police officers. Police said this was no accident. He clearly intended to make a laughingstock out of officers and deserved what he got, said a police spokesman. These letters come to my mind. P-O-O-T. Austin, Texas. You may have heard about this one. A Texas man got a 30-day jail sentence for contempt of court after criticizing a judge in a courthouse men's room. State District Judge Jack Robinson ordered 69-year-old Don Bandelman released following 2 days in jail after a state's appeals court in Austin made inquiries into the matter. Robinson had granted temporary custody of Bandelman's 13-year-old granddaughter to his son's ex-wife. Records reviewed by the Austin newspaper show Bandelman followed the judge into the men's room at the Caldwell County Courthouse and berated him as a fool for his ruling. Birdsong says, bet the headline read, "Judge Gets Pissed Off in Men's Room." Yuck, 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 get it? All right, here's one from Chicago, folks. Chicago, Illinois. Here's one of those guns don't kill people, people kill people stories. A well-known Chicago gun rights activist was found smothered with a pillow, and 43 guns were stolen from his home. Carl Coon's family initially reported that the 82-year-old had died of natural causes, but police have begun a criminal investigation. No suspects yet. Yes, this is a weird story, folks. Finally, from Michigan. There is not much one Michigan man wouldn't do on the first date, including stealing a car. Terrence DeJuan McCoy was 23 years old, allegedly asked his victim out to dinner, but when the check came, he told his date that he had left his wallet in her car. After trusting him, the woman threw her car keys to him, and what did he do? He stuck her with the bill and sped off and stole her car. What a jerk. At any rate, this has been Birdsong. Thanks for listening to these weird criminal law stories, and you can find them on my blog, birdsongslaw.com. See you next time.